Welcome to Haugen Racing, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're doing my Formula Drift Japan sim practice. This is round 5, Okayama International Circuit. So if you guys are new to the channel or new to this series, I'm competing in real life in Formula Drift Japan this year. I wanted to obviously practice all the tracks, and the greatest thing is they all exist on Assetto Corsa, so I'm going through, showing you guys kind of how I'm practicing for them, figuring out my qualifying laps, where all the clip-in points and zones are, and then getting some good tandem practice. So today is round 5 in the dry. We're gonna go back and do all the tracks in the rain as well. So let's start out. I'll show you guys the course. This one's really cool because it does have all the clip-in points and zones. That makes it much easier. A couple of other tracks, if you guys noticed, didn't have the zones and clipping points. Okay, so you start out, got the regular entrance. The only thing that is different about this course is, I'll show you, it has like an outer wall. So you got your 3, 2, 1 cones. So what's even cool on this one too is they have a yellow line. So that's like the last point. You have to be drifting before that line. And then it starts out with the inner clip. So you inner clip here, and that sets you up for this outer kind of zone. It's almost like a touch and go. In real life, this wall doesn't exist. You'll see a lot of guys drop into the dirt here. You're not supposed to do that, but it's so freaking easy to do. Unfortunately, in the sim version, you're gonna smoke the wall. So you gotta be on freaking point. So yeah, you got outer zone right there. That's the first one. And then this is truly a touch and go. So you come here, you got an outer touch and go. Number 1, outer touch and go number 2. So you just kind of, you're basically manjing that straight there. And then this crazy freaking outer zone right here. This is just nuts on this wall. I think it's a lot easier to hit the wall in that first outer zone though than this one, because you're kind of sliding sideways. You don't have as much momentum going that way, but it does happen. Then you got inner clip, and then the last inner clip right here, and then nice yellow stripe right here for the finish line. You want to take her kind of wide there, but yeah. That is the course. It's pretty freaking gnarly. It's super fast. Let's try to get a good qualifying lap, and then I'm gonna jump in the lobby. If you guys watch the other videos, I'm gonna jump in the lobby and we'll do some lead and chase. So I have driven this course before, not in real life, but on Assetto. I haven't driven it in a couple months though, so let's try 5th gear. We'll go from there. Oh, missed that. Missed that. Okay, alright. I entered way too early, and I think 5th gear is not gonna cut it. I might adjust my gearing. Let's try 4th gear and then not enter so crazy early. Alright, we're just gonna rip it down the straight. I need to be more committed there, but the line was good. Can almost just stay in 4th, honestly. Okay, I'm not bad. I feel like I'm not mad at that. I feel like I have the line pretty decent. I need to work on the entry. That's probably the hardest part of this track for me. I just need to chill out a little bit, kind of be a bit more committed on the entry, but not start so far back, if that makes sense. But the rest of it, I think I was pretty decent. Otherwise though, I feel like I'm just gonna stick in 4th gear. I might change the gearing up a little bit when we go to the lobby with everyone else. I'm not mad at that. Let's get one good one, and then we'll go do some lead and chase, because I know that's the most fun. I need to go wider there. That's what I need to do. I need to go wider. That was good. 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 Alright. Honestly, everything but the entry I feel like was super solid on that run. But let's jump in the lobby with everybody. get some tandems. All right, so I joined the online lobby. I got Millie in here again. He's in the red with white wheels S13. Yeah, well, let's freaking, I'll probably start out. All right, so Millie's gonna give me a savage lead, no pressure.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
My bad. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it.
Oh, he's back in it like a true warrior. Oh God.
All right, no, we aren't. No, we aren't.
And you definitely want to go nose to bumper on this track. Side to side, it's like not gonna happen. Oh God.
Yeah, we'll do inside. Yep.
I'm just gonna pull a pass maneuver. He's in the wall. Oh yeah. Oh, we won that battle, boys. Nice, he corrected there. He missed the inner clip, but he was able to correct it. Not bad, not bad. That was like a little messy on his entry. I don't know if mine was perfect or not, but then we were able to kind of get together there, especially towards the end. That was sick. He was kind of all over the place, but that's like good practice too, you know? No, it was looking so good. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it on that. Overall, I really enjoy this track, and that's kind of what counts for me, because if I'm enjoying it and I feel like I am getting some good lead runs and some good chases, then it's just kind of putting some more time into the track and stuff like that. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to support this journey, HaugenRacing.com has all our merchandise. I got our HR team shirt on, so go check that out. Go grab yourself a t-shirt and some stickers, and we'll see you guys in a couple days. Peace.